here at NGMAC, visiting Madagascar. And joining us today, their managing director. So let's hear from him what new technologies, what new solutions they have presented over here, as well as the future of Mazak in India and the global. So let's begin. So could you tell me what new innovations, what new products we have displaying over here?
Okay, we have displayed 4 machines. 2 machines are made in India. These are all 3-axis machines. And one machine we have displayed with 5-axis machine. This is Vari-axis from Japan. And other machine, on the other hand, it's a turn mill machine made in Singapore.
Could you tell me what kind of R&D you have done behind these machines?
Our company is 106 years old. So it's a lot of R&D work has gone into this while developing and manufacturing these machines. And in India, we started our manufacturing setup in 2023. And from that time onwards, we are started making 3-axis and 4-axis machine, vertical machining center.
What's your top focus in India currently right now in machining market?
Okay, right now our top focus is on multitasking machine sales, which is especially going to oil and gas, aerospace, whereas general engineering. And when it comes to India Make Machine, vertical machining center, we are concentrating on general engineering, automotive, and die mold.
As you mentioned, you also manufacture in India as well.
Yeah.
So how your Indian manufacturing machines are different from imported machines?
Oh, it's not different from imported machines because the design, R&D, and everything is as per Japan standard. The machines were developed and now we started manufacturing in India. The processes, machining process, sub-assembly process, main assembly process, paint shop, everything as per Japan standard. And quality standard also we follow as per Japan. So it's almost same. Why I can say very confidently is because we are exporting these machines made in India to Southeast Asia and other countries.
Price difference also between these two machines, like Indian machines and the imported one machine?
The imported machines are all high-end machines, which are 5-axis and multitasking machines. But India Make Machines is a 3-axis machine. So we have kept it a very competitive pricing because we wanted to give technology to India at a very competitive price.
Do you have any plans to manufacture 5-axis machines in India as well?
This all depends on Japan approval because it's a technology transfer. If it happens, we can, but I don't know anything what will happen in future.
What future technologies do you see is upcoming in the next 4 to 5 years?
Technology in machine tool is developing, but it is mainly developed in Japan. Whatever they are manufacturing in aerospace industry or any high-end like semiconductor industry, we are trying to emulate over here and then supply to our customers.
That's great, sir. And as you have chosen Pune, you use manufacturing hub, why? But what's the reason behind this?
Okay, Pune has been our head office from 1998, and we have all infrastructure set up in Pune. And Pune climate is good, and more technology driven the students I can get and workforce. So that's why we are set up in Pune, and we are pretty happy over there.
What kind of job kind of
We
skilling?
have developed all our the assembly guys, paint guys, all my staff has been trained by us in India as well as in Japan. So we are upskilling them and bringing them to our standard and getting the machines made by them.
And so, how do you see Indian machining market, in next 5 to 6 years, as well as yours, all over the globe, especially in Japan and India?
Indian machining industry is growing at a very fast pace. Okay, and more technology driven as well as quality components are coming to India. That's why we are able to survive and grow further in India. Yes, aerospace is coming in a big way. Oil and gas, we are pretty good. Automotive, yes, we are already at a very good stand. So next is semiconductor and aerospace, where we intend to focus as well as supply more machines.
Thank you so much, sir, talking to us. Take care with you.